Welcome back. We want to look deeper into a question in the reliability and business continuity domain. So let's pick one from subdomain 2.2, implement high availability and resilient environments. Reminder, this question is not from the actual exam, but it is the same structure and difficulty of one you might find there. Ready? Here's the STEM. After implementing a multi-region AWS deployment for all production infrastructure, what Amazon Route 53 feature would minimize response time for users? Now, breaking down this question is not that difficult, as there's not a lot of moving parts here. Let's see. Multi-region deployment, Amazon Route 53, and the value is minimizing response times. This is straightforward knowledge check of how well you understand the options in Route 53 when it comes to implementing routing policies. 4 responses. A. Hosted zones for specific regions. B. Health checks with DNS failover. C. Geolocation routing. D. Latency-based routing. Which one do you believe is the correct answer, the key? Well, before I confirm which one is right, let's eliminate some that are wrong. Starting with response B, health checks with DNS failover. And let me begin by saying I love health checks and DNS failover. This is totally a good thing when designing resilient architectures. But the question is about normal operations, not disaster planning. That feature does not do anything to improve response times for regular ops. B is incorrect. A. Hosted zones for specific regions? Yeah, that's not really a thing. All records go into a global hosted zone. It's not region specific. So A is incorrect. That leaves us C and D. Geolocation routing seems attractive, but this makes too many assumptions about the fastest path. And sometimes a faster connection may exist in an entirely different country just due to the unpredictable topologies of the internet itself. Geolocation is useful for compliance management, such as which countries are going to see which international sporting event that my lawyers won't let me mention by name broadcast feeds. But it is not normally the best way to minimize response times. C? Incorrect. Latency-based routing was specifically built to minimize response times and send users to the closest region based on latency, not physical proximity. D is correct. There it is. A, B, and C are all distractors, plausible and yet wrong, while D is the key for this question.